In this tutorial, you will learn how to manage your tickets with Koji. Let's open Koji by clicking on Chat with Virtual Assistant. First, let's ask Koji to create a ticket. Koji will ask you to choose one of the available request types. Provide the information asked by Koji. Koji will automatically create the ticket with the provided details. You can also ask Koji to list your tickets. Here is the list of tickets with their ID and summary. You can also access the details of a ticket by clicking View Ticket. You can add comments to a ticket by indicating the specific ticket ID. Lastly, you can ask Koji to give you details about a specific ticket. Here, the details indicate the summary of the ticket, its reporter, creation date, and status.